pay attention to your inner life. Pay attention to your capacity, whether you have it or not, to really go quiet, to really go into what Heidegger called dwelling mind, not analytic mind. Because, as I said to these leaders, there is no way to get through this time of increasing pain and suffering to others. There's no way to get through it as a useful contributor without knowing how to cultivate our inner peace, knowing how to take control of our minds. And for me, there is only one method for that, and it is meditation. So whatever meditative practice appeals to you or comes to you, I would say, please, please do it. It's a life-saving skill at this point.